There are three key objectives of computer security. The first one is called as confidentiality. Confidentiality means preserving authorized restrictions on information access and disclosures, including means for protecting personal privacy and proprietary information. Confidentially means protecting our data and privacy from unauthorized users. Here the confidentiality is that only the sender and the intended receiver should be able to access the content of the message. Here the confidentiality is not compromised by any unauthorized person. That means the unauthorized persons cannot access our data and he cannot use our privacy. For example, if we send an email to our friend, for example, there are two persons are there, A and B. A send a message or email to B, and that message is not seen by C without the permission or without the knowledge of the A and B. If this email is read by C, that is the third person, then confidentiality is not there in the data transmission. The first confidentiality is data confidentiality. This assures that private and confidential information is not made available or disclosed to unauthorized individuals. Whatever the data we have, it is not available to unauthorized persons. Our data should be protected. That means you cannot see. Whatever the data we have, it is not seen by the any other persons who have not authorized. The second one is called as privacy. Assures that individual control or influence what information related to them may be collected and stored, and by whom and who that information may be disclosed. This privacy explains if we store our information, if we do some activity in system, which information related to that activity may be stored in the computer. If it is stored in the computer, who or which person can see that information? That control is given to the users. If you see, whenever you install any app in mobile, when you are running that app, it will ask you for the permission, which resource it has to use, whether it has to use your mic, whether it has to use your navigation system, whether it has to use your file access. All permission will be asked from you. Which information you have to disclose, permission is given to you. So that is called as privacy. If you are using a Facebook, which images you want to share with your friends, which images you have to hide and kept it as a private for you only, all will be done by you only. So that is confidentiality. Confidentiality means protecting your data from unauthorized access without your permission. They cannot see it. That is confidentiality. The next one is called as integrity. Integrity means guarding against improper information modification or destruction. Here, modification and destruction. There are two types of data integrity. Assures that information and programs are changed only in a specified and authorized manner. If you are storing some data, it is changed by only unauthorized persons, and it should be changed in a authorized manner. System integrity assures that the system data performs its intended function in an unimpaired manner, free from deliberate or inadvertent unauthorized manipulation of the system. Okay, first you understand what is the meaning of integrity. Integrity means the third person or the unauthorized persons cannot modify or destroy your data. When you are sending some message from A to B, the third person, cannot modify that data, or he cannot destroy that data. Here, data integrity means the modification is done in the data. Whatever the message you send, if you are sending a message, now send a particular amount to this bank account. You are sending a message like that one. You are sending a particular amount is sent to your bank account XY ABCD. But the intermediator or the third person modify that information, send an amount to XYZ. He just modify the message and send it to the destination. Such modification cannot be done. That is called as data integrity. And next one is called as system integrity. In system integrity, it is doing some unimpaired manner. That means your system is, or specifically it is done on the server, where the server is working properly, normally, and the third person tried to do some activity on the server and modify the server in such a way that its performance goes on decrease. You do some modification in the server system, and the performance of that systems will be goes down. So that is called as integrity. Availability. The last one is called availability, ensuring timely and reliable access to and use of information. Whenever you need the information, you can access it. If you need now, you can access it. If I need information after 10 minutes, I need it, access it. If I need the information after 1 day, I can access it. Means the information is available always. That is called as availability. For example, if you are accessing a Google at any time, it gives you the service. It never crash. It always gives you the service at any time. So that is called as availability. Now these three, confidentiality, integrity, and availability, are the three key objectives of computer security systems, which is also called as sometimes TRIAC. And most of our computer security system is focused on these three objectives: confidentiality, integrity, and availability.